Everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. Again, most important chart to look at right now is this is the monthly chart of the 10X. This is the 10-year rates. Can't believe that we used to be way down here, right? That's when debt was cheap and plentiful, and we've gone up, whatever. What was it, 50? It's just so many multiples of that, 20X. And so now the idea is like, have we finally topped? Yes. I mean, the answer is yes. During these times, we've seen pullbacks here, but the Fed was still hawkish. Pullbacks here, the Fed was still hawkish. Pullbacks here, the Fed was still hawkish. This is the first time that we've started selling off significantly, and the Fed funds for next year, for March, are pricing in a 60% chance that they actually cut rates, and I think for June it's like 80%. So that's why Bitcoin's rallying, that's why gold's rallying, and all those things. So, I do think that we'll get down here to 3.25% and kind of hang out there for a little bit and then keep falling. So that's what we're looking at there. The implications for that, of course, is that SPY, NDX, that's supportive for stocks. I do think that before, you can see this monthly squeeze here, that before we actually see a pretty decent sell-off, we do see new highs in SPY. We're not that far from it. It's hard to imagine, maybe believe, but I think that January, February, we're up here, and same thing for the Qs. Now I know based on the news and everything like that, that seems preposterous. You can see the squeeze is still fired. These typically last 8 to 10 bars. But then I do think that 2024, probably after Q1, the sell in May and go away, I think it could actually get pretty ugly. But that's something that we cross then. And in the short term, we kind of play the path of least resistance. For now, the short term for this week, I like Microsoft a lot. Back to 380. Not even looking for new highs, looking for 380. And I talked about this. I do think that coin is overshot here. Can we at least get a pullback to 120? So something to keep an eye on there as well. And what about some of the other big stocks and stuff like that? I think any big stocks here that are above the 21. So Tesla, I like the upside for that. I would be careful with any big stocks like Nvidia. I mean, I like Nvidia, but it's still below the 21. May have a little bit of more, little more issues, so to speak, to work out there. In terms of option flow today, Spot Gamma. If you guys don't have Spot Gamma, we've got a great affiliate link where you can actually get it for 50% off. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff and you want to try it out. But this morning on the S&Ps, we opened up flat, and then the call buying exploded. We got almost a 25-point rally in the S&Ps, and after that it was dead meat. And then and this happened a lot too with a lot of the key stocks. Tesla here, a lot of call buying this morning, then it petered out. When you see it peters out, that's a good time to take profits, or you don't want to start betting that it's going to keep going higher. And of course, remember there's a call wall at 250. So the idea that Tesla's going to get through Tesla, the odds of it closing above 250 for next week's monthly expiration is very low. I certainly think we're going to test it again. All right, hope it helps. We are going to be doing another webinar about Spot Gamma on Thursday this week at 7 o'clock. There should be a link where you can sign up for that. I would definitely check it out if you haven't. It's really changed the game of our trading. All right, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.